Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Guy Gets Rich. Let's hop right in here on this beautiful Saturday. Coming in on a daily close so we can all experience that together. So here we are, guys. Let's see this action. Really, a lot of limp dick action this weekend and towards the end of week. We've been talking about this weakness in ETH price, where it's headed, where it's going. It looks like we're currently going to close under this cluster right here. So let's dive in and see the damage that's about to be done, possibly. So with this close, we did just close under all of these bars here. This whole area that we were consolidating in, battling in, if you will. So with that close underneath, let's see the action we get going forward. Again, I think we may get a little pop, but we're going down. In my opinion, this price action is showing weakness, downward pressure. There's a lot of hope in buying, even as price looks this ugly. But let's kind of look at wow, it's just, I can't believe we closed under this whole area here. Wait and see, guys. Do not be fucking with this on a Sunday, on a Saturday night with thin liquidity, breaking support at all, dicking around with all-time highs. This is not the time. Let's go look at the 4-hour. So yeah, I mean, we just broke this range, guys, closed underneath it. This is disgusting. Unless we get a quick reclaim and then we go back to the top of the range and keep dicking around like that, we need a quick reclaim here back into this range. So let's kind of situate ourselves. So and I'm kind of high on that line too, guys. So we need to reclaim this range, find the support, and then maybe we go back up for another squeeze. Maybe that's what they're setting us up for. Sunday, Monday, maybe a squeeze into Sunday squeeze, but we don't get to the top here, and then we roll off into open on Monday. Something like that. Still wait and see, still watching. Let's go to the hourly. Hourly, same looks. We're just walking them down here, bonking our heads. It looks like we may not even get the reclaim I'm talking about here, guys. There's more up here, but it looks like we're already falling into weakness. So let's see. I would love to see a little squeeze up, get some late shorts off balance here. Let's go and take one more look at the daily, just to kind of level set with our ideas together, and we'll look at Bitcoin and how that's moving. Maybe take a peek at Link for all the Link fans out there. But again, I think we take this low, at least. We come down here, we wash out any of the stop losses in this area, and then we're able to push up for a Q4 session here. We may have to come down all the way down to here. Don't rule that out, but I think this low might be enough to just really shake everybody out of their britches. But say we don't find the support here and reclaim, then we go down here, and then this is the, that's the big one into Q4. So this is kind of the look, guys. Keep close eyes on this. Do not be jumping in right now. Just watch. Let's look at Bitcoin. The daily. So weak as hell. Look at where we've been closing the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days underneath. Just complete weakness. There's nothing else to say here. This wick kind of told the whole story with some spike and sell volume here. So let's get a little bit closer. There's not much to look at. I mean, we can look at where I think we're going to go for Bitcoin, and I think in this vicinity here is appropriate. High or low. We don't have to take this bottom out here. Maybe we come and take those. At least take this, and maybe this is enough as well. Sweeping this area as well. So this is kind of where I'm looking for possibilities into Q4. That's the setup there. Let's go to the 4-hour. So 4-hour, look at, maybe showing signs of a little inverse head and shoulder action. So we don't want to rule that out, but it's also already showing that weakness here. So, it's not really showing what we need to be seeing for that type of setup. We did have some looks, but then again, we gave it all right back right here. So it's a failed inverse head and shoulders here. Yeah, wait and see, guys. Wait and see. Let's look at the hourly. Oopsie. Let's look at the hourly here. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of strength on the open. Again, I think it just peters out here. Probably bonks our head on this, and this is when we start to fall again. And then we take this, reclaim, and then continue on our path. Yeah, it's gonna be painful for a little bit, in my opinion. I welcome a reversal here, an early shot into Q4. I still think September has a lot more tests ahead, so let's just keep that in mind. Let's look at Link really quick, just for you Link Marines out there. I know it's been a fun one trading on the Link charts, quick longs here and there. Kind of the same looks, weakness, we are falling off, we lost support, we need to come down here. That's the low, we gotta, come down for support for any more upwards movement. Link's toast as well. They're all toast. So looking at 4, 2, yeah, same looks here. We just undercut. We're not reclaiming. It's probably gonna bonk here and roll. So just get ready, guys. Maybe take some shorts, have some fun. I'm just kind of watching. Just the high level structures are bullish, so I don't want to be getting too cute on the short side. But yeah, I think that's about it. Gonna let you guys go for the Saturday here. And again, just to rehash, let's come down here, and then the party can really start. Maybe down here as well. So that's what we're looking for. And then we can rock and roll. All right, guys, have a great night. Bye.